Body parts.
Toes.
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 How many toes do you have on each foot?
Teeth.
Teeth. Teeth. How many times a day do you brush your teeth?
Leg. Leg.
Leg.
A person has two legs, right leg and left leg. Shoulder.
Shoulders.
Shoulder.
We lift our shoulders when we shrug. Can you shrug your shoulders?
Toes.
Teeth. Leg.
Shoulder.
Words start with C. Cat.
Cold.
Crab. Cow. Cage. Cub. Couplets.
Jumping cat.
Jumping cat. Jumping cat.
Let's look at how the cat is jumping.
Eating goat.
Eating goat. Eating goat. The goat is eating a snack from the little girl's hand.
Drinking elephant.
Drinking elephant. Drinking elephant.
Elephants use their trunks for drinking water.
Crying baby.
Crying baby. Crying baby.
The mother soothes her crying baby.
Jumping cat.
Eating goat. Drinking elephant. Crying baby.
Was. Out.
Well. Was.
Out. Well.
No. It's
Bit.
Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for everyday's new video.